Hey guys! So as promised, I said I'd come on and do a live box opening of the Darth Vader warmer. So here it is. Look at how big it is. It's huge. So this is our new Star Wars one. So cracking big box. If you look on the top, you get the Forces with you writing and the stars. And then you've got your little safety instructions. Here we've got our melting bowl. So this is where your wax goes, and as you can see, that's the Death Star, if I'm right. The what Luke goes in to blow up. These always come really well packaged. Here's the lid. So that's going to be the front of Darth's head. Just pop that over there. Just get all this packaging out. And here is Darth. Wow, he's huge. Look at how shiny he is as well. Yeah, he's brilliant. Do we just raise him a little bit, then you can see him. Pop him on there. There we go. So the dish goes in. Oh, there's his bulb on his wire actually. I'll just take that out. So it's a red bulb. Hey CK! So there's his dish, goes in the top, and then his helmet goes on. And there we go. Look at him. How amazing is he? He's massive. What a massive, absolutely brilliant warmer. So we'll get this plugged in, and then you can see what he looks like. Just bear with me while I just get all the gubbins off the wire. Hey Suki, I'm good, thank you. Well, I'm actually really tired because I'm still not sleeping great. This leg of mine's doing my tree in, broken ankle. I've had to speak to hospital. They've sorted me out with some physio, hopefully. I'll just plug this in for you guys. I'll just check he's switched off before I put the bulb in. So again, same thing with the bulbs as always, guys. Please make sure that you don't put your fingers onto the bulb, because the oil, natural oils from your fingers, can cause the bulbs to blow. So as you can see, I'm just keeping it in the bag. And I'm going to hold on to it. No, I'm being quite careful, I'm not overdoing it. And you just screw the bulb inside. You just bear with it. Put it in like this. That should be it. Don't over tighten them. Put them back together. Properly. And this bit here, I do believe, lights up. So, are we ready? Yeah, so this bit here lights up. I'm just going to shut the curtains next to me so you can get a proper look. So this bit here lights up, and then on the back of him are the TIE fighters. Now these, you can't, oh you can see it, there you go. So these, depending on where you're going to have this sat, they project onto the wall at the back in the red bulb. So the TIE fighter holes glow up. So as usual, you've got your on-off switch inside there. How fantastic is he? Darth Vader. Our very first Star Wars warmer, and I'm sure first of many to come. I know we've got Spider-Man Marvel gear coming, so yeah. I've been Scentpot Jen. Don't forget to like the video and share it, and also if you are watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks guys, and I'll speak to you all again soon.